Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the construction of the Christiana tax office. Now, the Jamaican government is upgrading a lot of infrastructure around the country. Police stations, hospitals, and tax offices are at the top of the list. So they are building some new tax offices and renovating quite a few. So today we're going to give you an update on the Christiana tax office. The government has budgeted 73 million to complete construction of the Christiana tax office in Manchester and facilitate its handover in the upcoming fiscal year 2025-26. Up to December 2024, construction of the building was 90% complete. The sum is earmarked in the 2025-26 Estimates of Expenditure tabled in the House of Representatives by Minister of Finance and the Public Service, Honorable Favour Williams. Ground was broken in February 2023 to relocate the existing facility, which had outgrown its ability to meet the needs of customers and staff. The new tax office will be a two-story reinforced concrete building spanning 10,000 square feet, which represents a significant increase in space compared to the previous 1,152 square feet. It is designed with accessibility in mind, featuring accommodations for the physically challenged, 80 parking spaces, customer bathrooms, and wheelchair-accessible cubicles on the ground floor. Additional features include self-contained sewage treatment plant, comprehensive networking support, a generator, recreational area, and conference room. Tax Administration Jamaica is spearheading the project's execution, which commenced in January 2023 and is scheduled to conclude in September 2025 after 1 year of extension. The project is being financed by the government of Jamaica. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.